Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Alright, today we are talking about the best strategy for Vix75 and for other indices on the market. Okay, this setup works very massively well. It is called the breakout strategy. Okay, it's called the breakout strategy, but we are going to amplify it to trade even without the breakout. All right, guys. Yeah, welcome back to HumbleFX. And please, before we get started, before we continue, please, just a 1 minute, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you get updates once we upload a new video. Also, please comment on the comment box, share this video and give us a thumbs up. All right, I would really appreciate that. If you can do that for me, I would really appreciate. Just click on the subscribe button if you are new and comment on the comment box what you feel about this video and all that, so that we will know that you are following. Okay, now we know you are following and we are going to get you more great videos. All right, guys, let's look at how this indicator work. First of all, let me show you the settings so that you follow us, you follow up as I continue with the strategy. And also we have a public channel and group on Telegram. You can join us on Telegram. The links are on the video description. You can also follow me on Facebook page at HumbleFx Official. The link is also on the video the description. I would like to see you there on my Facebook page where I post updates sometimes. Okay, and if you like to join a VIP group, you can contact me. My link is on the video description and I will be glad to attend to you as soon as possible. Right, let's check the settings of this strategy and let's work out. Where I click on the F button, and first of all we have the window indicator 1. We have the moving average 200. These things is very important. The dynamic support and resistance level, that is the 200 exponential moving average. The period is 200, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. I choose white color because I have a background color. You can choose any color of your choice. All right, and you click on done. The next indicator here we are using is the relative strength index. That should be a window 1. The period is 1000, apply to close. Style is I choose white again, and levels I choose level 85, 15 and 50. Okay, I choose level 85, 15 and 50. All right, you click on done. Now the next one here we have the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band here we have the period is 10, deviation is 1.00, shift is -1, apply to close. The pixel I choose my background color, which is black. You can choose your own background color if you wish. Then the levels here we have -1, -0.1 rather, -0.2, -0.3, -0.4, -0.5, then 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Okay, that is just the levels that you need to put in there. You can do a screenshot and set it up later. Okay, after that you click on done, and the last one is the parabolic SAR, the parabolic SA. You can see the step is 0.005, the maximum is 0.05. The style I choose purple. What is the color? You can choose any other color you want, and no level. You click on done and you will have something in this nature in your chart. Okay, how do we use it? First of all, it is used on a higher time frame for a higher trade, a higher quality trade. This settings is up to 99% accurate if you apply it wisely. Okay, you enter in the higher time frame, maybe like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 15 minutes, or even 5 minutes, but those are lower time frames. So you can choose I don't like to use it on 1 minute time frame, because it gives so many fake signals. But if you like, you can try it out and check it out, study it and see what it holds for you. But for me, I think it's better off on higher time frame, like the 15-minute time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, and thereabout, or even 5-minute time frame. Okay, right here we are on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, first of all, we want to check uh the entry criteria is that this blue tick wall here, once this line start to show above that blue line, that's when you enter your sell. Okay, that's your entry point for a sell. Look at that. That is the parabolic star start to appear, start to pile up. It start to pile up above that Bollinger Band. Okay, start to pile up above that Bollinger Band, above here. So here is your entry point. You enter through somewhere here, and you exit at level 50. You see that? That's your entry point, and exit at level 50. Now you now take your profit. For a buy, the market should be around the 50 level of the RSI, and the parabolic star should be piling up below the blue, or is the Bollinger Band. Look at that. The blue is actually around level 15, and you see the parabolic star piling up below the blue thick wall. So we enter for buy here, and we'll take our profit at level 50. That's your first take profit. Okay, you could see also for a sell here, another sell opportunity has come here. The stuff has gone above or on the level of 85. That is the first thing you look out for. The next thing you want to look out for those parabolic star to start piling up above. Start to pile up above, then you enter the market. Look at that. You take the market, and boom, you are moving. All right. Now at this moment, we can actually buy from here. Look at that. The market is already at the level of 15, and the parabolic side already piling below it, so it's a buy entry right now. Okay, this is Vix75. Now let us check it for boom and crash. Let us check crash 1000 and see what's happening right here. You see that crash 1000. This is on the, let me check 5-minute time frame instead of that. You see it was selling. You see it happen. It works. Or even on that, the stuff come down here, and the pie, you enter the market, boom, you went ahead. It came down here, boom, you went ahead. All right, that is just the simple way to make the market with this. Let's check the boom index and see what the boom is saying. All right, this is the boom. Okay, remember this is 5-minute time frame. You could see that here. It came down here. It came up to this place. It started to pile up here, and that's what it shut down. Okay, now you may ask, what are we doing with this one on the main chart? The 200 EMA, like I said, it is called dynamic support and resistance level. I use it to know the trend of the market. Once the market is below that 200 EMA, then I believe it is going downward. The higher the time frame, the higher the trend is qualified. Look at that. This is the stuff has come down below that 200 EMA. You could see how it acted as a resistance level. It broke it down, and it came back to test on it before it shut down. All right, that is the work. It shows you the trend of the market. Okay, when the market is above it, then you know it is an uptrend. When it's below it, then you know it's a downtrend. That is very simple and easy. Alright guys, try this. Oh god, try this on your demo account first before you take it to your live account. It can work on any other volatility index. If you like, put it on volatility 25, volatility 75, and any other pair you can work with on this indices platform, and it will work out for you. Alright guys, test on demo first of all before you go live. Alright, remember, no setup is 100% accurate, but with this one you are guaranteed that it's up to 95% accurate, so you don't want to mess with it. Alright guys, once again, please comment on this video, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and like the video, share to your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here with us, and I remain HumbleFx. See you in the next video, and I hope you successful trading. Okay, bye.